How to withdraw money from Phantom Wallet. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. First of all, you have to choose an exchange. Select a reputable exchange that supports your cryptocurrencies and offer flat withdrawals. And after that, on the exchange, find the deposit to receive section on the specific cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. And in your Phantom Wallet, select the send option, choose the cryptocurrency and paste the exchange's deposit address. Double check the address for accuracy and verify the transaction details including the network fee and confirm the transfer. And for sale on the exchange, once the cryptocurrency is deposited on the exchange, you can sell it for the desired flat fiat currency like USD or Euro, and locate the withdrawal or cash out section on the exchange and choose your preferred withdrawal method, usually a bank transfer. And if you want to withdraw to bank account, if you haven't already, you'll need to add your bank account information in the exchange and select the amount you want to withdraw and confirm the transaction. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.